Cha, did you find my... Hey, what's wrong?
How the rain can happen?
What if we ask mother?
That was a good idea. Thank you, Mother.
No problem. And don't rush. I'll be back soon.
Mom, can I ask you something?
Sure, honey. What's wrong?
How the rain can happen?
As far as I know, the rain is happening because the angel is crying. Mom, can I and my sister play outside? Anyway, the rain has died down. Okay, but remember, you must be careful.
Don't worry, Mom. We'll be right back soon.
What do you mean talking like that? I don't want to play outside.
Do you trust my conversation? We're not go to play, but to find the answer in the library.
Wow, what a great place!
Yep. Okay, now, there's no time to discuss. Let's find a book about the rain.
Okay.
1 hour later.
Hey, look! I got the book!
Wait a minute. It's a book for stories and fairy tales. How can be a book of knowledge with a book cover like this?
But
Whatever you say, it's a lie. Don't believe it. It's just a fairy tale in it. Welcome to the rain world. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jenny. And is there anything I can help? Yeah. Blah 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 blah.
Jenny, can you explain how the rain can happen? Okay, alright.
The heat of the sun makes the water on the earth evaporate. This process is called evaporation. In the sky, the vapor undergoes condensation or compaction and more gaseous solids then will become clouds. Then the burden in heavy clouds and cannot be sustained. Eventually, the grains of water fall into the earth or colored with precipitation. If the temperature is very low, then that comes down as ice or snow. After precipitation, then the water experiences runoff. Runoff is a process of moving water from a high place to a low place on the surface of the earth and back to the sea. Talk about the water cycle. The water cycle is divided into three types: short cycle, medium cycle, and long cycle. A short hydrologic cycle is a hydrological cycle that doesn't go through advection process. Water vapor formed will be lowered through rain in the area around the sea. A medium hydrologic cycle is a hydrological cycle that produces rain on land, because the advocacy process brings clouds that form onto the land. Long hydrologic cycle is a hydrological cycle that generally occurs in subtropical climates or mountainous regions.
Whoa.
Looks like you guys understand. Oh, time out. You guys should go home now. See you later and have a nice day. Yeah, we found the answer. Okay, let's get up from here. I can't believe it.
It's the most magical thing.
I never thought there was a world in a book.
Yeah. And that was the ordinary
Yeah,
fairy tale.
my bad. Sorry.
Holding on through all the years. Looking back brings me to